To my channel Code Solution. I'm Msahils. In this video I'm gonna show how to copy link of YouTube video. Let's start. Open YouTube, open Google browser. Simply you go to youtube.com. After that, for example, go on my search on my channel Code Solution. I'm Msahils. Go to my channel and choose any videos and copy link. फ्रेंड आप देख रहे हैं कोर्स copy link. So I want this video to copy the link and click the video.
Technology, computers, and coding are an extremely valuable industry.
Click the link, select and right click, copy and open the another browsers. Right click, paste and go to search, enter. So let's see same video, open the another
Before
browser.
Zapier, I was wasting too much time.
Yes, I am same video, open the another browser and paste the notepad. For social media platform, share the link and benefits, so views, lots of views, so no problem for spamming and copyrights. Please subscribe my channel and more relevant information. Thanks for watching.